going to show you a solution for sometimes when you go to Plants and Undead, it'll say uh, farm maintenance. This I don't know if this is the exact message, but sometimes it'll say farm message and you're not, I mean farm maintenance, and you're not able to like get to your plants or to your farm or whatever you're trying to do here. So the solution is you go to your MetaMask and you click on these three dots here, and then you go to connected sites, and then for you look for plants. Let me see where it is. Here, this marketplace, and then you would disconnect it, like in the trash, and then you would reconnect your wallet. So yeah, you would disconnect here and then reconnect go back and reconnect your wallet again to the website, and it should work. Thank you. Bye bye.